Oh my gosh. Just the process, just the process, just the process.
Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another tutorial featuring 𝑉𝐼𝐷𝐸𝑠. They sent me one 20-inch and two 22-inch bundles of their Kinky Curly Tape-ins. I have my hair all sectioned off, and I will be using the same braiding pattern as a Vixen sew-in. So the cornrows that you see here are my leave out, and the bantu knotted sections will be where the tape-ins will be installed. And just to put it out there, this is my first time ever installing tape-ins, so this will definitely be a trial and error video. I'm excited, slightly nervous, but we just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So my goal is to lay the tapes in the same direction that the part is going in, so it'll lay seamless when I go to put it up in a ponytail or bun. Hopefully that makes sense, but if not, I'm sure it should as you keep watching.
I'd love to see things from your point of view. I couldn't believe it. See it for myself. I'm being patient, but now I'm really falling, frozen, slowly falling from me right. I won't keep you waiting. My back is fading, my eyes deceive me, won't let them straight through them. I wanna lie to me, the way that you love me. Ooh, for all of my pretty, none of my undue. I'd love to see you on me.
Those of you that aren't familiar with this Vixen method, it is probably one of the most versatile methods that I've seen. It's usually done with the sew-in, and I haven't yet seen it done with tape-ins, so we about to find out and see how it turns out together.
One eternity later.
Finally finished. And y'all, this took me like 4 days to do. Mostly because I'm a huge procrastinator when it comes to doing my own hair. And partly, it's just so damn tedious. My arms start to go numb at a certain point. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so big. Just the process, just the process, just the process, just the process. Alright, I'm gonna go wet this bad boy down and I'll be back. Alright, everything is detangled and I used my Quenching and Coconut Curls Frizz-Defying Curl Styling Milk to detangle, along with my water and my paddle brush, wherever that is right now. This is what this shedding was looking like, because I know You guys are gonna ask, this is what the shedding was looking like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of my leave out and just gel that up, and then go through in sections with the bundles and define those curls. And then I'll show you guys how versatile it is and how you can style it and stuff.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. Treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on no more. See, my days are cold without you, and though my heart can't take no more, no more.
So at this point, I just know it's going to take forever for it to dry. So I'm going to take an old cotton t-shirt. I'm just going to wrap my hair up in this using the plopping method. If you guys are not familiar with that, go on ahead and educate yourself and plop my head in a t-shirt and just tie it up and sleep like that. All of the cotton should absorb the moisture, and by the time I wake up, it should be all nice and dry, or at least mostly dry. And I'll come back and show you guys how it looks in the morning. My hair is still pretty wet. It definitely is a lot drier than it was last night, but I'm going to use my diffuser to kind of speed the drying process a little bit because I gotta go. Still nowhere near all the way dry. As far as the hair goes, the quality of hair, all of that is good. The curls are absolutely beautiful. There were 40 pieces in each bundle. I used pretty much all 3 bundles besides 2 tape-ins. I guess technically 4, front and back. I know you guys are gonna ask if they're reusable. They are reusable. They did send me a few extra adhesives in case I want to reuse them. So whenever these come off, you basically just gotta replace the adhesive. I showed you guys the shedding. When I opened the packaging, it was like a little slight smell, but as usual, washed it and it went away. If you guys have any other questions of my experience installing, and maybe if you guys want an update, I don't think I'm gonna have these in long. I'm just gonna say that right now. I can already tell it's probably going to be a lot to maintenance. I'm going to have to be super duper extra gentle, especially more gentle than I will with microlinks, because when I tell you they were slipping, but like I said, it could have been how I installed it. I really hope I'm not forgetting to say anything, but like I said, if I am, let me know down in the comment section. All of the products, tools, and the link to these tape-ins will be down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support and all of your feedback. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Falling, 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 slowly falling on me.